Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Hey guys, have you seen these new blowers? These things are amazing. I have always used the big blowers and I was used to those. I saw these come out and honestly, I thought they were a joke. I'm like, how can you honestly get any power out of these? Well, this one is truly amazing. First of all, I like the fact that it works off the Milwaukee batteries. I can simply just slide it in, lock it into place, and I'm ready to rock and roll. But the true amazing part is the power. I use this in my woodworking shop as I'm building my cabinets. I can blow everything off. The ground, I can blow everything off. I can actually move leaves with this thing because it's so powerful. I mean, it is truly amazing. I'm going to actually spray it on my shirt so you can see how much it moves. I mean, honestly, guys, I love this thing. It's probably become one of my favorite tools. So guys, if you're looking for a good blower, give this a try. I don't think you're going to be disappointed. Matter of fact, I think you'll be shocked. We will see you guys on the next review.